Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're restoring the shine on this RV's rear cap. In this video, we'll walk you through our buffing and polishing process to achieve a deep, high gloss finish. The process begins by buffing the rear cap using Farkala 400 compound paired with a 3M foam pad. This step removes light imperfections, oxidation, and surface haze, especially in areas exposed to road grime and exhaust residue. The technician works methodically across the rear cap using consistent pressure and controlled movements to ensure even correction across flat surfaces and detailed edges. Once the compounding stage is complete, we move into polishing using 3M Finesse It. This step refines the surface, enhances gloss, and removes any micro scratches left behind from buffing. The polish is applied evenly, restoring depth and clarity to the paint while bringing out a clean, mirror-like shine across the entire rear cap. The result is a smooth, polished finish that completes the overall look of the RV. Stay tuned for more RV paint and detailing processes. Thank you for watching.